Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this. E ngā mana e ngā reo rauranga tira mā tēnā koutou katoa. Nau mai ki tēnei o ngā whiringa toa whakamutunga o te Hurricanes Top 4 Whutuporo. And we are on e hopa. Let's urge nau mai ki te final e karema as we're straight into it. No mucking around here. Obviously wet conditions here, opting to kick, be careful. She'll go, she'll get cleaned up. Advantage though to the girls from Manukura. Pace on the right hand side is Tamaya. Sweetman in and away. Can she go all the way? Yes she can. To Kaya Ngātai Crib. Turning. Right hand side we go, there's a lot of space. Strong boy just got to hold on to the pill. In and around, tipped on there nicely. And we're in again. Mia, te namafisu. Ko tata taiatu me pēhea e kore ai. Mia Walesi doing the hard yards, running back into traffic though. Number 8. She's over the line and the ball's down. That was Linda Rapeni Vatuloka. Been an awesome response from St Mary's where Manukura had the bulk of the pill in position. Got some very, oh goodness, little shadow play there. And a wrap. Manukura. Oh. Yeah, te karanga te kaiwa, wow. Yeah, pai noiho. To retain some of the knowledge and the skill sets our future kayako possess. And so I'd just like to commend all those kayako who are part of the PPCA who went out on the picket lines. This are intense. Manukura. Little corners play there, tucked back underneath the defensive line. Certainly numbers are on the left-hand edge and wow, rangatira te tū. Short side, numbers on, I'm assuming.
Come on, get it!
Te Waikoko, tēnei. Amarima.
Nice.
Anakua Piro. Tiana. Strong carry. Short side we're on. With the short ball as well.
Come on, Mary. Come on.
There's numbers there, there's bodies there. Hei te hui, ngā referee. Offside. Hei tā te referee. Red carry there from Te Rangi Moana i o ane. Decent shape here. She's in.
Come on, Mary. Make it count, Mary. Come on.
E whakatinanga ana i te kōrero. Kia tika āmua me tika āmuri.
Sorry.
Ana, koia ko te tangi, ko te pūtātara. E tohu ana. Kua puta ā ihu. Te kapa ngā Manukura I tēnei tuki ngā whakamutunga o te Hurricanes Girls Final.
Everybody that I know,
Yeah, they down with this.
Pātai atu ki mai iwi.
Cause they down with this.